She's just conking out. She's waking up.
She's so adorable.
I know.
Oh my god. Oh, hello. Oh. I don't know why.
Isn't she great?
Good girl. Oh my god. Look at these paws. Wow.
They're kind of substantial, aren't they?
Oh my god. Oh, so adorable. Hey mom, by the way.
Hey.
Nice to meet you. Hey you. Oh, you are so adorable. How am I gonna handle this?
You just have to spend time with her, for sure.
Say hello.
She says, I love you already.
Hi, wow, you are into me. Fucking first thing you do is freak out and love me.
Don't let her bite on you, though. You can hand her one of her toys if she tries to chew you. She might want to get a taste of you, lick you. Yeah, that's one of her toys. That was a very inexpensive toy that she really likes.
She loves it though?
Yeah, she does. I have to be careful not to leave her alone with it, just in case she
Oh,
hangs
look
herself.
at you jump.
Hey, you.
Hey,
Yeah,
what's this?
That's Spencer. Another little
Micah,
cheap
come
toy that I got.
Oh, you don't care about the toy.
Meet her boy for the first
Oh
time.
my god, she's so adorable. Mom, this looks too much like Sandy.
The two of them look really similar in color.
Like puppy treats?
I do. That's a good idea.
Oh my god, I can't believe I... Oh,